Okay.
Go ahead.
You guys ready? All
Yeah.
right. Okay, well, I'm Dr. Andrea Bucklew. I'm the Dean of the College of Humanities and Social Sciences and an Associate Professor of Criminal Justice. Before I started teaching, my background was as a prosecuting attorney, so I like to bring my experiences into the classroom as much as I can. The criminal justice program prepares students for a wide variety of careers, anything related to law enforcement, local, state, federal. You have a wonderful background by pursuing a criminal justice major. It also helps any student who might be interested in corrections, jails, probation and parole is becoming a growing field as we have more offenders in the community. It's also a wonderful foundation for law school for anyone who would want to follow in my footsteps and become a defense attorney or a prosecutor. We have an experiential requirement. All students in their senior year take an internship so they get real world experience that they can apply to their classroom knowledge.
Okay. Perfect.